Okay, this is probably the last one that we're going to do for the bike. So I took it down to some guys, and I explained before that we paid $2,500 for spray painting, and it now looks like this. This is number 3. We're finishing the bike off today. I have my apprentices.
Hello!
Hello! Alright, so this is what we're doing. We're going to put some black just in here. Right? We're going to put some nice stickers here, Yamaha and Nmax. Okay, so I've already put on new mirrors. These nice plastic mirrors, and it's got like a windscreen extender on the top of that.
I never thought through love we'd be making one assembly and she.
I'm having fun ripping it.
Come here, young apprentice.
I am the strong.
Strongest apprentice. Stick it like that, okay? Try not to touch the sticky bit. Would be good. Because
Is that?
yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, baby. You weirdo.
How long you may do this one?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Why?
That one is the rooster.
No.
I'm sorry.
So just lightly sand this section here. Okay. That's it.
You're doing great there.
I'm doing your job, Dad.
Doing a great job.
Shake well, clean shortly the target surface. Hold the can 12 inches away from the surface to be sprayed.
Isn't she lovely? Made from love.
What's up, bro?
It stinks
You stink.
a little bit, right?
Oh, it's a little bit. It's strong smelling.
Yeah.
Yamaha sticker.
Yamaha!
Yamaha. Alright, so we have to clean this area.
Sure.
Yeah. It's alright. Remember what to do. That's it. Beautiful. Squash it all down.
Oh.
It's alright. It'll come off. Just rub it in. Like it's all flat. Alright. The bubbles here. It's alright. We can fix that. Alright, so now slowly peel this back. Just slowly. Slowly. Really good. Looks good, eh? What do you think? Alright, give it a light second coat. Just to finalise it. Should be alright. Let's take all of the masking off.
Isn't she pretty?
I'm not really sure what the rainbow house is.
There, yellow and
You mean the bike?
yeah.
The bike is a rainbow bike.
Mhm.
Well. Yes. That was wicked. Squish it all down. Is it going on all right? Okay, now, if I get this corner, I'll show you. This corner. Look, wait. Now lift it up slowly. You slowly pull it. Slowly. That's the way. Good job. What do you reckon? Pretty good? You're a knob. Okay, so that was pretty cool. If you look, the bike looks like 1,000,000% on how it looked before. I'm pretty pleased with it, looks great. Coming because it's so bloody hot. It's the middle of the wet season at the moment, so every hour it's just hot, cold all day. One last thing, you may remember that some of the screws got a bit rusted and damaged, and I did try and clean them up, but I bought new screws. So I'm just going to replace some of them with these instead. You might also remember the crack here. So I'm going to cheat with this a little bit. I'm going to use gaff tape and then cover it over with some coloured tape so it looks cool. You know what? It's not that broken, so let's not worry about it too much for now. So let's see how this looks. Bit of reflective tape to really kind of sell it. So I'm pretty pleased with the results. Alright, so this is the finished bike. New colour, Nmax stickers, Yamaha stickers, Xeon in the background. We've got the new foot rests all the way through. We've got new mirrors and everything. Looks nice and cool. What do you reckon, Jan? Pretty cool, hey? Let's test out the new helmet cam. This is just driving out from Unk's house down along our laneway. Let's try this backwards. To use a, you know, wearing the camera for safety, wearing the camera just in case someone hits me.
She lovely, made from love.
Things like that. Yeah, that's great. This is where I actually had my accident, just there. Just a little chill on your balls every time you go past there. But anyway. What a cop! See, that's the sort of thing you get here. He was looking to the left and could see that there was a vehicle coming, and so decided that, you know, oh look, he's still being a cop. What a dude! Wow, that's a super dude. Anyway, maybe off the road, lady. All right, I'm doing it. You okay, Zion? Dirty? You're dirty. Hello. Hello. Hey, little man. Hello.
So very lovely, made from love.